Hi UA Trading. As you probably saw in the title, today was another winning day for me. So that means the daily streak is two winning days in a row. Really nothing to be happy about. So today I only took one trade, two contracts. From what I remember, because I just woke up from a nap for some reason, that's why my bed is a maze. You can see it in the back of the frame. I just switched off literally my computer myself as soon as I ended that trade. Um, but market kind of consolidated in the first part of the day. Nothing really happened, and I believe we failed to break the overnight low, and that just showed me that if we can't break the overnight low, we're probably gonna break the daily high or the initial balance high. I let the trade run and I ended up green. So let's jump straight into the charts and break this down. Okay, so market has been kind of like not doing a lot so far, but we have made an attempt to move lower and we failed to reach the overnight low, which is here. So this kind of shows me that the bears don't have a lot of strength and the bulls are definitely in control. And actually, I might buy in here simply because the attempt lower hasn't amounted to anything. That's a disgusting arrow, but that means that the bulls probably have incentive in the market right now. So I will take a long, hopefully to around this level. Ideally I want to break the overnight high first, and then obviously see continuation for the rest of the day. But so far it does seem to be working in my favor. Obviously I need to be patient with this trade. I have put two contracts on, but so far I am seeing strength. We do have quite good positive delta. This negative delta didn't achieve anything. The candle closed on the doji, and then obviously volume right now isn't super high. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's around 900,000 or 9,000 I should say. So I'm pretty confident we are going to break the daily high, the initial balance high, our daily kickoff high, lots of terms for it. But yeah, I think I am just going to hold this trade. It does make sense on multiple levels. And if I think I will leave it run the whole points. Definitely when we take out this high. If I can just check, it's 30.25. So right here I'd be up $300. I think I might let it run the whole 5 points. And if that's the case, then I'll just hop off for the day, because that's my trading day done pretty much. I've got no other reason to stay in. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward here because I just kept yapping on about the trade and stuff. But as you see, price runs the highs, forms a little pullback, a little wick test, but then eventually, takes out my target. And I'll put the daily chart on the 5 minute daily chart up on the screen so you can see that soon after price did reverse and the day ended up being just a nothing day. It was just a normal variation on the TPO chart and nothing was achieved today. And with that trade closing, we can get into the stats for the 100-day challenge. So I know I put my win rate at 66% yesterday. That was wrong, but it is correct today. So 6 wins, 3 losses. My average win has gone higher, so we're knocking on the door of $300. Obviously, I didn't lose today, so I couldn't bring my average loss down. My total progress to target is 1.20%, so I've still got a long way to go. 2-day winning streak, and I'm back in the green. I've got to take my wins where I can. But I definitely shouldn't be happy about today or sad, because when I closed the position, I did feel quite emotional. I felt like, happy. I wanted to talk. I wanted to do stuff. But I got to suppress that because emotions are simply not profitable, whether they're positive or negative. They're never good. And I learned that the hard way when I got upset literally, a week ago
when I had a big loss, and that really taught me to, have complete control over my emotions, even if that means suppressing them.
So as you saw, a pretty principled trade, pretty basic, market theory. Not a lot to say, not a lot to say about today. PPI came out, but that wasn't a huge move in the market. Price kind of barcoded the whole day. So that's probably why this video is so short compared to our previous 4 episodes. But regardless, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you for liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It's great. And hopefully see you in tomorrow's video.